Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market looks really good. The markets are making big moves to the upside on CPI data. Triple Q and SPY gapping up, and so does Tesla. I think at market open, we can expect a sell-off and then a move to the upside. So I'll be looking for any pullback setups. As I said yesterday, I will not be looking for breakout or breakdown setups. Going into the open, I'm bullish, but I'll wait for market open to see how both Triple Q and SPY reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have over 30 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Would love to get a pullback, but if it wants to continue, I'll keep waiting. Moves are really slow. I'm not sure why we're not getting decent moves in the first 5 minutes. $10 minutes into the day, no trades as of yet. Didn't come to the level I was watching. So slow today. Normally in the first 15 minutes, SPY is really volatile. Now it's making some moves. That is good to see, but still could be a bull trap. That's the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. I could have taken this level, but I was being overly conservative. I was looking for this level and SPY just came here and took off. Now if I traded, it would be like chasing. That's why I'm staying away. See how it just made a new high. Look at it down. Getting in at 460. Just one contract. Getting out for now. Just got in with one contract, that was the problem. But $58, I'll take it. Waited for a pullback. I did not play a breakout trade. Had I played a breakout trade, I would have exited on that flush. And this was a lot more peaceful than breakout trades. Over 30 minutes into the day, I just got one trade. I think it would be much better for me if I trade less and focus on just quality setups. So right now, SPY has really slowed down. Unless I get a decent pullback, I'll not be interested. So I'm not sure whether I'll get it today. So I think it would be better to call the day off. An okay day of trading. One trade, one winner, $58. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.